Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be painting this beautiful hand painted bookmark. The color palette I have used is inspired by the tea light holder I have created in my last video. If you haven't seen it yet, be sure to check it out. Since I had some leftover paint from that project, I decided to use it to create this bookmark. I have also incorporated a unique centered dot design in this piece. The centered dot is a plumpy dot, a technique I developed myself to achieve this look. I find it really beautiful and quite similar to the way flower blooms. The raised effect add depth, making the design even more attractive. Let me know in the comments if you would like to learn how to create this plumpy dot. If there's interest, I'll be happy to make a tutorial for you. While these dots are available in the market, creating them yourself allows for more customization with different colors and style. For this bookmark, I mainly use the swoosh technique, allowing the petals to bloom naturally. I also incorporate walking the dots to create the floral pattern. It's a very simple design achieved by varying dot size and using different dotting tools. Dot mandala art is a time intensive process. It involves careful planning, mixing, and layering of dots. The creative journey is so rewarding, it helped me pause, focus, and rediscover myself through my art. Now we are about at the end of the bookmark and it's about to be completed. It's important to allow proper drying time before applying your varnish. You can use spray varnish, but I personally prefer liquid brush varnish over spray varnish and applying 2 coats for a durable finish. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends who would love to see handmade art. Let me know your thoughts in the comment. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching.